येवकार हांव सुशांत गावस आयचे आमचे गोवा 365चे स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड कार्यावळीत तुमकां येवकार। आयचो आमचो विशय जावन आसा ते मडगांवचे SGPDA नुस्तें मार्केट। कांय दिसां सावन भायले आनी भितरले नुस्तेकार हांच्या मदीं एक प्रॉब्लेम निर्माण जाला। ह्या प्रस्नाचेर आमच्या वांगडा उलोवपाक आसात अखिल गोय पर्सीन बोट धनी संघटनेचे सरचिटणीस सेबी कार्दोज सर। आमच्या कार्यावळीत तुमकां येवकार दिता।
नमस्कार।
मडगांवचे SGPDA ठोस नुस्तें मार्केट हे राज्यांतले एकोडे नुस्तें मार्केट। फाटल्या कांय दिसां सावन मडगांवच्या SGPDA नुस्तें मार्केटात भायले आनी भितरल्या नुस्तेकारां मदीं एक प्रॉब्लेम निर्माण जाला। भितरल्या थळाव्या नुस्तेकारां कडेन आडनदर करून भायल्या नुस्तेकारांक चड म्हत्व दितात असो एक तुमचो आरोप जातालो। तशेंच तुमी SGPDAचे अध्यक्ष जे आसात विल्फ्रेड डिसा हांचे कडेन एक मागणी केल्ली की तुमकां चड जागो दिवचो म्हणून। ताचे फुडें कितें जालें?
ना काल डिस्कशन जाला चेअरमॅना कडेन। काल SGPDA मीटिंग आसली ऑल गोवा वी वेंट फॉर द मीटिंग discussion he is asking us, forcing us to that we have to go to the court and place our demands, which I think is unfair, going to the court just to ask for our demand. The market first belongs to the Goans and then it is for the outsiders. When they conduct the meetings with the outsiders, the SGPDA should have asked for a say. We were never welcome for a meeting. A decision is taken selfishly to support the outside fish, not the Goans.
सर बोटकारांच्यो अडचणी कितें आसात?
अडचणी म्हणल्यार ते जे पळय कंडिशन घातला न्हू, फर्स्ट ते तेमकां 5000 स्क्वेअर मिटर एरिया मागताय सेपरेट फॉर आउटसाइड फिश टू सेल. नंबर वन, दिस गोवन लँड वाय शूड वी गिव फॉर आउटसाइड फिशिंग एजंट्स? फर्स्ट थिंग वी ऑब्जेक्टेड. Okay, not 5000, not 5000. Some portion we can allot them, that too not permanent, because they are not from here. First of all, since Goan need fish, it is a necessity. Okay, we agree, they can isolate us whichever side they want, but the area, it shouldn't be permanent, and Goan should be given more preference on this, because Goa also is a fishing community. We have a lot of Goan fishing communities. There is Ponelkar, Rampondkar, and the fishing boats and pursing boats. So there is enough fish for Goans also to eat, consume, which we catch locally. But just to satisfy the want of everyone, we import. I'm not against the import, but it shouldn't be like the demand from their side that we want this.
हे नुस्तें मार्केट गोंयच्या नुस्तेकारांक फायदो जावचो ही मोग मुखार दवरून बांदलेले, पूण सध्या तुमकां थंय कितली सुवात मेळटा आनी भायल्यांक कितली सुवात मेळटा?
No, SWAT 5000 is too much for them. So 5000 or area them dilli no, then they are again restricting the number, and the number has to be brought down. I think they are allowing 25 vehicles every day, in which the number has to be brought down. What space they give? No, our space is divided for the three type of category. One is Ponelkar, we are all together. One is Ponelkar, one is that fishing, and one is pursing. We are okay, fine. Mixing all together 3 in 1 is still okay. But we have to see that our fish is also getting some price. So tomorrow the fishing shouldn't collapse in Goa just because the fish is import more. That is the point. It's not the space. It is the quantity. It is the quantity of fish that will come in.
हो जाग्याचो प्रश्न कित्याक निर्माण जाला अशें तुमकां दिसता? तुमकां कमी सुवात मेळटा की तुमच्यार आडनदर करून तांकां चड म्हत्व दितात अशें तुमकां दिसता?
हय, तें आमकां दिसलां कित्याक इतलो तेंप न्हू, ते ऑलरेडी आमकां डॉमिनेट करून आहाय थिंगा. कित्याक आमगेले थोडे सॉरी टू से some MLAs, they are in hand in glove with them. I don't want to name that, but that is unfair. See, we have to first give preference. I don't say throw them out, no. But preference should be given first to Goans, and they have to call for when the meeting is called, there should be our say also, because there are Goan fishermen who are catching fish. It is not that the entire fish is brought from outside.
SGPDA चेअरमॅनान सांगले की बोट धनी संघटनेच्या पदाधिकाऱ्यां वांगडा चर्चा करून हे नुस्तें मार्केट फांतोडेर 3 ते 8 मेरेन फकत गोंयच्या नुस्तेकारां खातीर राखून दवरूचे, पूण ताच्या आज दीस भायल्या नुस्तेकारांच्यो सुमार 50 गाडयो येतात. ताका लागून तुमच्या धंद्याचेर कितें परिणाम जाला काय कितें?
time what kids galtai no HGPDA, that won't work out for me, because see, a fish is a perishable item. I'll tell you, I don't know on what basis they have asked us to be follow the timing. Timing is not possible. All we can do is we can restrict the vehicles a certain number which are coming from outside. That much we can do. I think timing will not work out. It is easy to say, but in practically it's not going to happen.
सर ॲक्च्युअल प्रॉब्लेम खंय आसा हो टायमिंगेचो की त्यांच्यो चड गाडयो येतात आणि तुमच्यो कमी गाडयो भितर घेतात?
Actual reason किती आहा जाणा, जे लोकल MLAs आहे नो थिंगा, they are in hand in glove with these people. That Abraham, Mulana Abraham, and he's become a King Kong there in Goa, in the market especially. And our MLAs, farm MLAs are helping him. They are not in the interest of the Goans fishermen. They are in the interest of their own pockets. And this is the reason. And this is the reason. This is the reason why we are going to suffer in future.
सर HGPDAचे जे नुस्तें मार्केट म्हणटा की मौलाना इब्राहिम आणि हेर 4 जाण चलयतात असो आरोप जातालो, हेजेर तुमचें कितें म्हणणें आसा?
हांवें तें सांगलो न्हू तुका. सी, this guy, is dominating the entire fishing HGPDA market. He is not a fisherman. See, he may be a Goan, I don't know, but he is not a fisherman. So why should we entertain him? Okay, for some extent, we need some extra fish to be brought from outside. Yes, because we also export our fish to Kerala and some other parts of India. I don't say we'll stop that, but the thing is we have to put a restriction that this much vehicles, this much space. That's it.
पण जाग्याचो विषय सर कित्याक निर्माण जाला की ते भायल्या नुस्तेकारांकडल्यान ते पैसे घेतात असोय आरोप जातालो मदीं?
पैशांचो आरोप आहा. सी, फायनली नो पैशां कितें आहा नो, इट इज अ लॉंग लेंथी प्रोसेस. दॅट ऑल्सो विल टेक टाइम बिकॉज दे ऑल्सो वॉन्ट सम मनी टू रन दॅट मार्केट. So I am not against that money purpose. See, it will be for everyone, for them and for us also. Money is the second issue. The first issue is this: vehicles who are coming from outside, they want 5,000 square meter area, which they are putting a demand on HGPDA, and HGPDA is ready to give without asking our say. That market is also belongs to us.
सो हेचेर तुमी विल्फ्रेड डिसा कडेन उलयलात, कितें चर्चा जाली तुमची, ताणें तुमकां कितें सांगलें?
ना तो सांगलो की म्हणजे त्याने म्हणला की तुम्ही कोर्टां वसाय, तुमकां कितें जाय पडे डिमांड जाय, यू गो टू द कोर्ट, सू HGPDA and then get sorted out. In writing it might not happen.
म्हटल्यार ते तुमकां एंटरटेनमेंट करपाक तयार ना अशें दिसता तुमकां?
तो डायरेक्टली म्हणना, बट ही सेइंग दॅट ही माइट नॉट बी इन अ पोझिशन टू हेल्प अस डायरेक्टली. माइट बी नॉट.
हय सर, हे नुस्तें मार्केट तशें पळोवंक जाल्यार बिलोंगींग टू गोवन फिशींग कम्युनिटी, पण थळाव्या नुस्तेकारांचे प्रस्न लक्षात घेनासतना भायल्यांक चड म्हत्व दिवप हे कित्या खातीर?
कितें जाता ते, आमी नुस्तें एक्सपोर्ट करताय केरला मार्केटात तेंगली रिस्ट्रिक्शन्स आसताय आमकां. वी कांट टेक अ फ्री हँड देर लायक हाव इट इज इन गोवा नाव हॅपनिंग. हिंगा गोंयांत कितें जालें जाणा, हे आमगेले MLA मिनिस्टर इनवॉल्व जावन तांकां एक फ्री हँड मेळ्ळो आहा भायल्या व्हेकलांक नुस्तें हिंगपाक, which is not there for us in Kerala. We need to have our own agent. थिंग तेमगेल एजंट आहा, हे भायले लोक येवन हिंगा आज एजंट जावन आहाय गोंयान, which they don't allow in other states, even in Kerala. आमच्यान वचोन डायरेक्टली थिंग हिंगपा जायना. तेंगे ब्रोकर आसताय, एजंट आसताय, there's a commission going. If the mackerel is sold for 120, we get only 90 rupees. The 30 rupees goes for them. That is a commission. They make their living. Here it's not like that. हिंग भायल मनीस एजंट जावन आहाय आमगे मार्केटान.
सो नुस्त्या मार्केटात तुम्ही म्हणता की अखिल गोय बोट नीति संघटनेन हो प्रश्न उखलून धरलेलो, बाकीच्या नुस्तेकारांचे तेच म्हणणे आसा. HGPDAचो जो अध्यक्ष आसा विल्फ्रेड डिसा, हो हाचेर कितें म्हणटा?
ना, तेणे काल तशें म्हणलें न्हू की तुमगेल पड कितें डिमांड आहाय न्हू, ही सेइंग इज नॉट हेल्पिंग अस, बट सम डिमांड्स विच आर देयर, यू हॅव टू गो टू द कोर्ट.
तू कित्याक हेल्प करून सोदिना तुमकां?
Maybe they have already agreed to give them 5,000 and whatever they want. They have already agreed. Might be it's already there on the paper, black and white.
पण ही 5,000 स्क्वेअर मीटरची जागा आसा ती तांकां दितले?
Then दिल तेमी already दिले, ते डिक्लेअर जालें तेमगेले. They have already decided on this. That is why we are fighting now. It's not fight. We want to put in place how grievances. That why we were not, why our say was not there when this decision was taken.
बरं, ही जर इतली सुवात, इतली 5,000 स्क्वेअर मीटर ही जमीन जर तांकां दिल्ली आसात जाल्यार तुमकां खंय थंय सुवात आसा?
पळय सुवात आहा रे, आमकां सुवात आहा नुस्तें हिंगपाक, बट कितें जातलें थिंगा, ते आपणा कंट्रोलान 5,000 दवरल न्हू, आपणा जाय ते भाशेन व्हेकल हाडटले, आपणा जाय त्या टायमार नुस्तें हिंगतले. आमगे नुस्तें होवपा जाय न्हू, आमकां रेट मेळपा जाय. So the timing also will not work. What they have told, no, this time, that also will not work. Practically they can try. See, unless you try, you don't know. That is okay.
सर फाटल्या दिसांनी आरोप जातालो की भायल्यो गाडयो चड येतात तेका लागून थळाव्या नुस्तेकारांक गेटी भायर चिखलात उबे रावन नुस्तें विकचें पडटलें असो आरोप जातालो. हे खरें आसा काय कितें?
No, vehicles not at even the entire road get blocked because after 4 o'clock if you go in the morning, with your vehicle cannot enter there. Short गाडी आता भाईलो. So to control that, they have said that some 25 number is a number they have given for outside vehicles to come. After that, the gate will be closed, something like that. Okay, that is fine. When you give 5,000 square meter for 25 vehicles, you think this is feasible? That number will go tomorrow to 25 to 50. See, that is why the space is taken now because the Maulana Ibrahim is very smart guy. He knows he has the space, then he can increase the number. So we should avoid that.
सो भायले जो एजंट आसा तो हे मार्केट डॉमिनेट करूंक सोदता अशें तुमकां दिसता?
That is sure. And our people, our MLAs are hand in glove with them.
सो हातून कितें पयशाचो
why I
व्यवहार
say
जाला
it's
अशें
not
तुमकां दिसता? हातून कितें पयशाचो व्यवहार जाला असो तुमकां दिसता की थळाव्या नुस्तेकारांचेर आडनदर करून भायल्यांक चड सुवात दिता आणि विल्फ्रेड डिसा जो अध्यक्ष जावन आसा SGPDA नुस्त्या मार्केटाचो तो तुमकां हेल्प करूंक तयार ना अशें तुमी म्हणटा?
No, I don't blame. See, as long as I don't know what is under table, I have not seen. I don't disclose that. But I say they are in hand in glove. I don't know whether it is financial matter or what. But there is a hand in glove.
पण हे कितले योग्य आसा की थळाव्या नुस्तेकारांक केन्ना केन्ना भायर रावन नुस्तें विकचें पडटा, गेटी भायर चिखलान रावन नुस्तें विकचें पडटा आनी भायल्यो ज्यो गाडयो आसात त्यो भितर घेतात. हे कितें तुमकां दिसता तुमचेर अन्याय जाता असो दिसता तुमकां?
भायल गाडी नाही त्यो पयल्यो येवन रावताय दोनाकूच सकाळी. सो कितें जाता मागीर 4 म्हणल्यार आख्खी मार्केटां फूल जाता आनी आमकां भितर येवपाक मेळना. ते येवन मागीर तेमगेल गाडी आसनाय आनीक तेंका खबर आहा खंयच्या टायमार मार्केटां भितर रावपा जाय पयलें. आमगेल कितें जाता हिंगसान बोट येताय न्हू भितर आमगे हाय आतां स्पेशली बेतूल फुटबॉना वी हॅव हाय लो वॉटर प्रॉब्लम. सो आमकां तें उदका लागून रावपा पडटा बोटी घेवन. जेन्ना आमी येताय न्हू आफ्टर 4 o'clock तर मॉर्निंग आमगे व्हेकल गेली न्हू मार्केटान नुस्तें घेवन आमकां भितर वचपाक मेळना. They because they have already made it like full inside, totally, completely सारखे mess करून दवरताय. The entire road also.
कळ्ळें. ही सिस्टम जाग्यार घालपा खातीर तुमी कितें डिमांड दवरिल्लो तेंच्या कडेन की बाबा तेंच्यो अमूक इतल्यो गाडयो भितर घेवपाच्यो आनी तुमच्यो अमूक इतल्यो गाडयो भितर घेवपाच्यो म्हणून?
गाडी ऑलरेडी सांगल्याय तेमी तेंगे 25 येतले म्हणून. दॅट इज ओके. 25 is okay. But why 5,000 square meter area for them? When it is only 25 vehicles.
तेंच्यो 25 गाडयो येता की तेच्याकून चड येता?
ना सध्या अजून स्टार्ट जावना ते बट दे हॅव रिस्ट्रिक्टेड टू 25. Now, not before. Now they have put a bar. 25 vehicles is maximum.
24 त्यो सगळ्योच्यो सगळ्यो गाडयो ते भितर घेतात?
आज किती चलते आमकां अजून खबर ना कित्याक बोटी स्टार्ट जावनाय न्हू आमी मार्केटां वचो नाय. But they have said maximum will be 25. Now maximum 25 also now there are vehicles which carry 324 box. That is about 9 tons of fish. 9 tons of fish. If one breakers get 9 tons of fish in our market, you see what will be the state of the local fishermen. See 9 tons into 25.
सर हो प्रश्न जाग्यार घालपा खातीर सरकारान कितें करचें अशें तुमकां दिसता? सरकारा कडल्यान कितें अपेक्षा आहा तुमची?
See, practically कितें आहा जाणा, practically we know better. See, we are not selfish. We also want goans to get sufficient fish, either from local or outside. But they don't take a say. The people who know, they don't take a say. They are going selfishly with the Maulana Ibrahim. Because he is only on his side. So apnale chinta. He is just bothered about a goan fisherman. It's a selfish thought and people who are involved with him are also selfish. That's it.
ओके. सर आता हांगाच थांबुयात, एक ल्हानसो विसव घेवयात. विसव उपरांत परतून एकदा येवकार. वळुया फुडल्या प्रस्नांकडे. सर गोंयचो नुस्तेमारी वेवसाय तसो पळोवपाक गेल्यार भायल्या कामगारांचेर निमून आसात. कोरोना महामारीक लागून भायले कामगार तशे चड प्रमाणांत येवंक ना. आणि 1 ऑगस्टाच्यान तसो हो वेवसाय नुस्तेमारी वेवसाय चालू जावंक जाय आशिल्लो, पूण कोरोना महामारीक लागून ताचेर हो सुरू करपाक काय आडखळ निर्माण जाल्या. सर भायले कामगार येयल्यात काय कितें?
आता ओरिसाचे स्टार्ट जाले येवपाक, 7-8 बोटी येयले बेतलान.
हय
बट पिक्चर इज नॉट व्हेरी क्लियर.
हय
How many are positive and how many are negative?
हय
They have started coming now slowly. So
Ah.
in 15 days from here, I think things will work out to at least 50%. Boats will go out by 1st of
sir-
September.
कितले कामगार भायले कितले कामगार येतात हांगासर?
Total, so in Betul itself, in entire Goa, no, it is around at least 7 to 8,000 migrants that we need to run this business.
हय सर सद्या कितले आयल्यात? कोरोनाक लागून कांय जाणांक येवपाक मेळना.
ना येयले ते न्हू आता थोडे सारखे. Means it is not even just for 7 trawlers maybe entire
Ah.
Goa,
हय
which is not a good sign. Which is not a good sign.
हय पूण तुमी आतां ते कामगार जर येवंक ना जाल्यार तुमी कितें करतले? तुमचे कडेन
No, they
कितें
are
पर्याय
showing
आसा
some
काय कितें?
interest of- ते इंटरेस्ट दाखयता येवपाचे कामाक.
हय
So we are taking it positive. In next month
Ah.
at least we can start a business.
हय सर
They are
तुमी
showing a
तांकां
positive
थंयच्यान
sign,
नेगेटीव सर्टिफिकेट घेवन येवपाक लायतले की हांगा येवन तेंची टेस्ट करून घेतले आनी ताच्या उपरांत तांकां मागीर तुमी बोटीर व्हरतले?
ना टेस्टिंग गोंया करपा पडटा. इट इज कंपल्सरी. देर इज नो एनी टेस्ट इन ओरिसा. जेन्ना
Ah.
ते भितर सरताय न्हू बॉर्डरीर, दे आर टेकन डायरेक्टली फॉर अ टेस्ट.
हय
And we have
So-
to spend for that. And we do
सो
it.
त्या हय त्या कामगारांक हांगा गोंयान भितर हाडपा खातीर तुमी कितें सरकारा कडेन डिमांड बी दवरल्या?
ना डिमांड धरू ना, फकत आमी ते कोविड टेस्ट पड आहा ते इज कॉस्ट 1,500 I think now today. Earlier it was 2,500. We have asked for some concession, which government, the health, everybody said that it's not possible. We had a meeting in the collector.
हय
It is not possible because the cost itself is the money that they charge us is itself a cost. There is no profit in that. So
Ah.
then we couldn't say anything. If that
Ah.
is the cost of the equipment, then we have to bear it because it is our business. We can't ask for charity.
सर तुमी टेस्टिंगाचे आहा ते तुमी फारीक करतले?
होय टेस्टिंगा पयशे फारीक करून टेस्ट करताय आमी. ऑलरेडी स्टार्टेड.
तुमी म्हणटाले की जेटीचेर स्वॅब टेस्टिंग जावची म्हणटाले अशी तुमी डिमांड केल्ली, त्याचे कितें फुडें जालें?
ना ते पॉसिबल ना. सी प्रॅक्टिकली इट्स इझी टू से बट प्रॅक्टिकली दॅट गोल नॉट गोइंग टू हॅपन. सी बिकॉज so much population, so many people coming in and out. Government also have to control. So everywhere you cannot have centers. Today if we demand here at our jetty, Vasco also will say they want. So from where the doctors will come? It is not that just test it and finish. It's not a normal test. You need a proper doctor for that. And we are short of that. So I don't blame government for that.
फाटल्या दिसांनी कुडबन जेटीचेर कोण तरी एकलो कामगार पॉझिटिव्ह मेळ्ळलो, ताच्या उपरांत खुबसो बोवाळ जाल्लो. आतां कितें स्थिती आसा?
ना सद्याक न्हू हिंग सगळें काम आहा बट द थिंग इज इट माइट वेव आउट अगेन. द
Ah.
वेव माइट कम अगेन when they get another positive case in the village of Kudbana itself. Yeah.
सर कामगार जर येवंक ना जाल्यार नुस्तेमारी वेवसाय सुरू करप फिजिबल आसा काय कितें? जाल्यार तुमच्या कडेन पर्यायी व्यवस्था कितें आसा?
ना 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 ते येवं ना जाल्यार आनी ऑप्शन कांय ना. यू हॅव टू स्टॉप टिल दिस पीपल कम बॅक फ्रॉम द पर्टिक्युलर स्टेट्स वॉट एव्हर इट इज. झारखंड और ओरिसा.
बोटी भितर व्हरचे नात ना जाल्यार?
ना मायग्रंट्स लेबर तर येना पॉसिबल ना न्हू बोटी चलोवपाक बिकॉज सी आवर पर्सनर्स फिशिंग नीड ओनली 4 people on one trawler fishing.
हय
We personers need 30 to 35 people.
हय
So even we have 25, no, we can't go out. We
Ah.
need that minimum number, all the
Ah.
nets.
सो गोंयान सर कामगार ना न्ही तुमचे कडेन? सो
सद्याक
भायल्या
ना,
कामगारांचेर
सद्याक येवं ना.
विसंबून आसा हो वेवसाय?
होय तो सद्या एवरी इयर तशें आहा तें. This is
Ah.
not now, many years.
पूण सद्याक जर परिस्थिती पळोवपाक गेल्यार कोरोनाक लागून जर भायल्या कामगारांक बेगीन भितर येवप गोंयान येवप शक्य ना, ताच्या खातीर तुमी कितें विचार केला?
लास्ट टाइम HGPD हितून बिल्डिंगान मिटींग जाल्ली कलेक्टरा फुडें मिटींग जाल्ली.
हय
जेन्ना कलेक्टरा आमी रिक्वेस्ट केल्लें जाता जाल्यार आमकां ट्रेन बी दवर फॅसिलिटी
हय
and we'll bear the cost. It is not possible because the SOP now is a national SOP.
हय
We can't have particular SOP, separate SOP for a particular state.
हय
And in that, see, nobody can bend for anyone now.
हय
Putting a demand also is wrong. So
Ah.
collector said this is not possible now. We'll see when the SOP changes for the entire nation.
हय
So right now there is no transport facility. We get migrants by bus.
Ah.
It is costing us around 6,000, 5 to 6,000 per person. But beside the test.
सो SOP चेंज जाय मेरेन कामगार काय येवपाक शकनात तो मेरेन तुमी धंदो बंद दवरतले.
No, कामदार येवपाक शकनाय न्हू. Now it depends on your pockets. If you can spend 2 to 3 lakhs on one bus,
हय
then it is possible. But the train service is not there right now. Where you can carry these people now from Orissa to Goa the cheapest way, that transport is not there for us. That is the railway. So we have to
So
get
bus-
them by roadway and that too private.
सो ट्रेनी काय सध्या सुरू नात. ट्रेनीन तुमी तांकां हाडपाक शकनात. दुसरो SOPचो प्रश्न आसा आनी SOP चेंज जाय मेरेन काय ते येवपाक शकनात. दुसरो आसा तुमचे कडेन पर्याय तो बशी. तुमी बशींक पेड करून तांकां हाडटले.
Start झाले already. Already एक सात बोटी माना येयले. So we
Ah.
already have about 200, 300 migrants already here at Kurbana itself.
हय सो चडशे कामगार अजून येवपाचे आसात.
कोण येवना. This is not even 5% which is come.
हय
It's not even 5%. But
Ah.
they have started coming. So now we
Ah.
know how to get them, like which bus, who is the owner and all that. But it is
Ah.
possible. Even
Ah.
if the train doesn't start, no, there is a way out by bus.
पुढलो प्रश्न सर 60 दिसांचो जो फिशिंग बॅन असलो तो उणो करून 45 डेज केलो. हाचेर तुमचें कितें म्हणणें आसा?
Ban period, see, 45 days kelto bora, but I think no, government should go with this date little beyond. Like when it is 1st of August, no, I think government can go up to 15. See, the ban period which was there 61 days, 15 days is reduced from one side.
हय
Now they have to increase this side. For me as a fisherman, I think that 61 days ban period was good enough.
हय
But extending up to, instead of 31st May, it's extending up to 15th of June. Then the ban period also should be extended from, which was 1st August, should have to go to 15th August.
सो नुस्तेकारांच्या फायद्या खातीरच हो नुस्तेमारीचो बंदी जो काळ आसा तो उणो केल्लो अशें सरकारान म्हटलेलें. ताजो खरोच तुमकां फायदो जाला काय कितें?
ना फायदो जाला कित्याक त्या टायमार न्हू कितें जाल्लें, मायग्रंट्सांक धाडपाक प्रॉब्लम आसलें. सो
हय.
31st of May तर बोटी बंद केल्ले न्हू, मायग्रंट्सांक धाडपाक ट्रेन्स आसोनाय तेन्ना इतल्यो. After that, no, government provide trains for the migrants to go home. Direct trains were there, Orissa and all those places. So it helped us a little because we carried on till the 10th of June.
सो ह्या निर्णयाचो
space-
कितलो फायदो तुमकां जाला आनी लुकसाण म्हटल्यार दुसरे वटेन लुकसाण कशें कितें जालें?
No, see, running the boats till 10th of June or 15th of June, loss जावना कोण. Loss जावना. पूण आनी इजी जालें कित्याक ट्रान्सपोर्ट मेळ्ळा आमकां. गव्हर्मेंट प्रोवायडेड ट्रान्सपोर्ट. लायक इवन माय मायग्रंट्स दे वेंट फॉर फ्री
हय
up to Orissa.
हय
They were not charged with everything, with food and everything, proper
Ah.
sitting arrangement, everything. So
Ah.
it helps us that way. The government help is there, but
Ah.
now to get back, it is all on the SOP.
सो ह्या निर्णयाचे तुम्ही समर्थन करतात की जो बॅन आशिल्लो 60 दिसांचो बॅन आशिल्लो तो उणो करून 45 दीस केलो आसा जो तुमकां खरोच फायदो जालो की कामगारांक भायर धाडलेत. पूण कांय कामगारांक सर जो तसो फायदो जावंक ना ते अजूनय हांगाच अडकून पडलेले. उपरांत तांकां स्पेशल ट्रेनी कडून धाडलेल्यो. हे तुमकां खबर आसतलें. हेजेर तुमी कितें उलोवपाक सोदतात?
Special trainings, government was keeping, I think every second day there was a train to Orissa, every second third day. We can't blame government. They tried. Now, kon fati ulle they are not for what reason? But they were even they were frequently calling me, fall train, then another train tomorrow, the train tomorrow. So how the migrants stayed, I don't know. Maybe some boat owners, they forcingly kept them since they don't want this hassle now. Like me now, I'm suffering because my migrants are not here. Holding them also was a good idea.
दुसरी गजाल म्हटल्यार आतां ते येयले जाल्यार तांकां थंय स्वॅब टेस्टिंग जावपाची फॅसिलिटी ना तेंच्या राज्यांनी. सो हांगा येयल्या उपरांत तांकां स्वॅब टेस्टिंग करूनच भितर घेवचें पडटलें. तातूंतलो एकाद्रो कामगार जर पॉझिटिव्ह आयलो जाल्यार तुमी कितें करतले? तुमचे कडेन कितें वेवस्था आसा तांकां क्वॉरंटायन बी करून दवरपाची?
No, actually कितें न्हू, तेमगे स्टेट इन चेक कोन्नाय. Whichever state you are living, they don't check. It is entire India. It is only tested where which state you are entering. That we can't stop. Okay. Now, if there is a case, positive case, we have to just go as per the government instructions. See, if there is a place in the hospital, they will take them to hospital. If the case is serious, they will take to hospital, or they will tell us you keep him home quarantine somewhere where the place is totally isolated, separate toilet, everything.
Ah.
Now it's all depending on government now. The
Ah.
health. If the
Ah.
health say that we don't have place to accommodate him, looking at his condition,
हां
then we have to look for a place.
Ah.
We have to look, and
Ah.
we have to inform them where they are.
हां सर नुस्तेमारी कर खातीर तुमच्या कडेन कामगारांना चडशा प्रमाणात हो जो व्यवसाय आसा तो भायल्या कामगारांचेर निंबून आसा. सद्याक म्हणटात तुमी सांगले ते प्रमाण की 200 ते 300 कामगारच आयलेत आणि टोटल जे कामगार आसात ते 8 ते 9,000 कामगार आसात. म्हटल्यार चडशे कामगार अजून येवपाचे आसात. हे जर कामगार जर आयले नात जाल्यार नुस्तेमारी धंदो सुरू करप सारको कठीण जावन आसा. सो हाचेर सरकार कितें उपाय येवजण करता, भायल्या कामगारांक हाडटा की ना ते पळोवया आणि ही कार्यावळ हांगाच सोंपोवया. पळयत रावात गोवा 365.